So here I am now, back in Washington D.C. at my aunt's house, and they have two Lennoxes, and you're gonna see them right now. There's one of them. One of them is running. It's not that one right there, but it's the next one. That one right there is running, but there's really hard access because of the trees. Could get a closer look, I guess. I'm not really sure how to get these units. I guess the easiest way is like this. Yep, it is. Here's one Lennox, a small one, and finally, can't tell if it's running in full mode or in peak mode. I guess full mode. Yeah. It says it's from... It says it's zoomed in a bit, but it really says... it somehow doesn't say. Oh, it says it's a condensing unit, and that's the only thing that I see. I don't see the serial. Let's see, there's the serial number. 5803853392. I think it's from 1992, and it says it's a... Here's the unit. And there's the other unit right there. This is the only one that's running. It's kind of noisy, but it's very noisy, but it's actually noisier inside. I mean, like from inside the house. And last time I went here, there weren't all those crazy bushes right here like there are now. And yeah, this is also a condensing unit. It's not a straight cool or a heat pump. Well, I can't really go over it. Can't go over there. It's really hard to get there, so I'm just going. And this unit has been running for quite a while, but I'm not sure when this one is going to turn on. It's still not running. I guess its power is off or something. Again, there's this Lennox and this one. And those are the two Lennoxes. Sorry about the bushes thing. And there it is right there. And there's actually another way from over here. So again, these are the Lennoxes, Lennox air conditioners at this house. And also, I forgot to say that the house next door, last time it had two Lennoxes, and there's a squirrel right there. Squirrel! It had two Lennoxes, but now they installed a new train to replace one of the Lennoxes. And here's something interesting. The person in that house was actually the leader of the red flag mission for fighter jet pilots. And I actually watched that movie. So there's the train, the new train XL16i that got just installed. And as you can see, there's a huge spider right there. I'm not sure if you could see it in the camera, but it really is there. Yeah. And I think that's it. And there's 10% battery, so I have to stop the video. But let me just show you the Lennoxes for the last time. And these were the Lennoxes at Aunt Tina's house. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.